Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Lucidchart in Google Sheets. To get started, open the sample project in Lucidchart. This gives you a ready-made workspace so you can follow along without needing to build anything from scratch. Starting from a sample project is helpful because it lets you focus on learning where the integration tools are and how the connection process works inside Lucidchart. Once the sample project is open, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Integration. This section is where Lucidchart groups together its available connections to other tools and platforms. If you are new to the interface, take a moment to scan the sidebar so you can recognize where this area lives for future use. Knowing how to find integrations quickly can save time later when you want to connect other apps as well. After opening the integration section, enter Google Sheets in the search area. Searching helps narrow down the available options so you can find the exact integration you need more efficiently. This is especially useful if you work with several connected tools and want to avoid scrolling through a long list. Be sure to type the service name clearly so the correct result appears. When Google Sheets appears in the results, click on Google Sheets to open its integration settings. This takes you into the specific connection page for Google Sheets, where you can manage how Lucidchart interacts with your spreadsheet data. At this stage, you are essentially telling Lucidchart which external service you want to link with your diagramming workflow. Next, click on Manage Connection, and then follow the on-screen procedure. This part of the process usually walks you through authorizing access and confirming the connection between Lucidchart and Google Sheets. Read each prompt carefully as you go, since permissions and confirmation screens may vary slightly depending on your account, setup, or browser. If a sign-in window appears, simply complete the requested steps using your own account details, making sure everything is accurate before continuing. After the connection is complete, Lucidchart will be set up to work with Google Sheets through this integration. If something does not appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh or check whether the connection window is still waiting for confirmation. It is also a good idea to make sure you are signed into the correct Google account before starting, as that can prevent confusion during setup. That's it. You now know how to access the Google Sheets integration in Lucidchart and begin connecting the two tools.